Today I'm going to be showing you a rhythm exercise that changed my life. It's called the Modes of Rhythm. Now, this technique was taken from the Groove Workshop DVD by Victor Wooten. It's a bass DVD, but I think it is applicable for all instruments, so go and check it out. I highly recommend it. This technique is not only going to help your rhythm playing and your rhythm chops, but it's also going to help you come up with some really cool, wacky, and inventive rhythmic ideas for riffs. And I think nearly any genre that has any kind of rhythmic component is going to benefit from learning the modes of rhythm, especially stuff like gent, where rhythmic manipulation and syncopation is such a prominent thing in that genre. Now, this is called the modes of rhythm, so we need to know what a standard mode is first. If we take the C major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, our starting point is C and it goes all the way to B. Each different note of the scale could be a different starting point. If we shift things back a little bit and start on D, we have D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and we've created another mode. If we start from E, we could get E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and that creates another mode. So as you can see, all these different starting points create different modes. Now, all we have to do is apply this concept to rhythms. So let's take a look at how we can do this with rhythms on the guitar. Let's take a standard quarter note 4/4 rhythm. So down below, as you can see, there's a combination of ones and X's. The ones are where I'm going to be playing this power chord at the 5th fret, and the X's are where I'm going to be muting. Okay, and each one of those represents a quarter note. So this rhythm sounds like this. Just like that. So what we can do is take the second note in that rhythm, which is a muted string, and we shift that to the beginning of the rhythm. What the original beginning of the rhythm was gets shifted to the end. So now our rhythm sounds like this. Awesome. Now we can do that again. And we can do it one more time as well. Okay, so that was a really very simple demonstration of a quarter note rhythm and its modes. So now let's level this up a little bit and do it with 8th notes. So down below I have an 8th note rhythm that you can see, and this is how it sounds. Alright, so if we play the next mode, shift the second note, then we get this. Then the third mode would sound like this. The fourth mode would sound like this. The fifth mode would sound like this. The sixth mode would sound like this. The seventh mode would sound like this. And the final mode would sound like this. We can now level this up even more with 16th notes. I am not going to do every single mode of a 16th note strumming pattern. I'm going to give you a couple though, just so you can see how you can completely transform a rhythm. So our rhythm looks and sounds like this. Now, if we start on the and of 2, so this would be the 6th mode, then we get something that sounds like this. And the 11th mode of our original rhythm would sound like this. So as you can see, I've completely transformed that one original rhythm into 2 other completely different rhythms, and there were obviously 15 other options for rhythms that we could have used. Now, I've written a quick riff and I've written a variation of that riff using the modes of rhythm, just so you can hear what it would do in a songwriting context. So let's have a listen to how that sounds. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I was thinking there, but I hope you enjoyed the riff and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful and you got a lot out of it. Now go forth and create some rockin' riffs. If you enjoyed the video, click like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and let me know what you thought in the comments. If you have any video suggestions, also let me know down in the comments too. And I'll catch you in the next video.